Hello guys, in this video we are going to see the creation of a new project in Angular using the Angular CLI, as well as I will show you how to make a basic Angular project. So for that, first we have to confirm whether we have Angular in our system. To see the installation, please refer to the previous video in our channel. In the same playlist, it will be there, and you can see now the Angular is there. Now we'll open Visual Studio Code. Since this is a front-end web-based web development, I'm using Visual Studio Code for that. First, I'll open Visual Studio Code and I'm going to basically put all my Angular projects that I'm doing for this video in a separate folder. You can see that I've created an Angular tutorial folder. This will be helpful to organize your node modules. So once you have opened the folder in your Visual Studio Code, give ng new Angular ng new and then your application name. It will prompt you to give some basic things like whether you want routing, which kind of CSS that you want. Once you have given, the basic project structure will be created. It will be automatically be created. The package.json file shows you the basic dependencies that will come along once you give ng new a new project. So these dependencies will be downloaded from the node package manager. So you can see there is one loader going on which tells that it is installing all the packages. So what it will do, it will install all the packages and it will place it under the node modules folder. So you can see the packages are installed successfully. As well as I will give ng-serve-o. So for this you have to be inside your app folder. So you can go to your project and then inside your app folder give new terminal and then give the ng-serve command. You can use the terminal at the top of the Visual Studio Code to open a new terminal at any point. So now you can see the application has been compiled successfully. So when we scroll to the top, you can see the compilation time that it has taken, as well as the kind of files that it has compiled. You can see that it is compiled. So since this is the latest version, they have included these options here. Previous versions it was not there. So when I go to localhost 4200, you can see that there are multiple. So so don't worry, these are the basic things that come with an Angular app. I didn't do anything. So once you give the same commands that I've given, you can also see the app that I saw now. The page has been automatically been created as part of the new project creation in Angular. So this app.component.html is that is responsible for the page that you have seen now. So now what I'm doing, I'm removing all the basic stuff from that, and I'm going to create a simple HTML which is going to tell that welcome to Angular, as well as it will have a button. The button should be used to increment a counter. So that is basically the functionality, a very small functionality that we are going to implement in this project. So for that we have to give the binding over here. So the variable that I'm going to use is count, and we have to give it under the double curly braces. So the double curly braces will be able to get the value from the TypeScript file. So basically the TypeScript file is almost like the JavaScript files, which is going to do the calculations or the manipulation of data for you. So first I'm creating a method which is increase count, and the variable name that I've used in my template is count. So first I'm initializing it, as well as I'm going to increment this value. So this is an object-based programming language, so you have to use this. So when I save the application, it will compile again. So now you can see the basic boilerplate template has been gone, and when I'm using the button, click here, it is incrementing the count. And that is basically the project that we have created. So please do subscribe more for more videos on Angular. Thank you.